Setting the sun approaches for its turn to rest. Long enough to promise all of us its best. Liquid blue and a white, crashing through the night. Liquid blue, liquid blue.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm honored to have Ms. Divya Jain, Director of Fashion Meraki with me on my channel on the Leader's Voice, Your Voice Matters chat show. Thank you for joining me, ma'am.
Hi Shweta, it's really good to see you. And thank you so much for everybody who's listening.
Thank you. Divya Jain, as we all know, she's a dreamer, achiever, and an entrepreneur. She's a go-getter. Her work speaks volumes about her personality. She's beautiful inside out, and she's a great mentor and guide, and I've personally been under her guidance. She has been in the event industry for 7 years and works like a Rising Star of India, Mrs. Capital of India, Miss Capital of India, and Mr. Capital of India have been. I'm really honored to have you with me. So please tell me.
Thank you so much, and really glad to hear everything about myself. Thank you so much for that honor. Well, yes, of course, as now Shweta's already introduced me, so I am, of course, Divya Jain. I am the director of Fashion Meraki. As Shweta just said that, yes, we have a lot of pageants under our name, though she missed out a few. So let me just, go ahead and complete that. Of course, we started our journey with Miss Capital of India. And thereafter, we did, before that, of course, there was Rising Star of India. But after that, we did Mrs. Capital of India, Mr. Capital of India. And now we are yet another, we've launched a new show called Mrs. India Asia.
Wow.
That we would be coming very soon once this lockdown is over.
Oh,
So just waiting for the lockdown to get over now.
Sure. So apart from that, what else do you do?
Oh, well, to be honest, my most of the time goes in preparation because these shows are not easy to do. They look very, intriguing, and they look very simple. But then there's a lot of hard work that goes behind the scenes.
True.
So of course, one after the other, we are constantly onto the shows. So this is what I do.
So what drives all this? What is your passion in life?
Well, my passion is my work, and I'm a very passionate person towards, my dreams. So if suppose, I do something, I do it with 100% dedication. And as, you must have, of course, seen that, all my shows, I put my heart and soul in it.
True.
So I'm really, really passionate towards my work.
Yeah, and here I would like to let everyone know I've personally been part of Mrs. Capital of India, and I've seen the dedication you've put from day one to the last day. That was commendable.
Thank you.
Hard work, yeah. So how are you coping in this COVID situation now?
Well, I know it's a very tough situation for everybody. And it was tough in the beginning for me as well, because of course, you had, it was a completely different story. First, you're always, you were out of the house and you were working towards things. But as you were locked down, you had a different story. You had your family and everybody to cater to. So it was a different role that everybody, I'm sure, would be into this time. But then I did a lot of self-introspection, and I just got time, which I never got before, I got time to, really think about the future as to what I need to do. So I have my set goals now. I have made a few goals wherein, I need to go ahead and just complete those. And I've just thought a lot for my future.
Right. We all need to do that. Really inspiring. So what is your mantra?
Sorry?
What is your spiritual mantra?
Spiritual mantra, oh my God. Well, I am a Jain. And since childhood, we've been taught ahimsa. So I definitely believe that in the belief that to live and let live. So that's my spiritual mantra.
Wow, wonderful. So, how do pageants help in grooming of an individual?
Pageants are a stepping stone in the world of fashion. And fashion does not just define itself to ramp modeling. There are different aspects wherein, we get experts from different areas, and we go ahead and teach these contestants, because these contestants are just normal people. They are not aware of different aspects of fashion. So when they go ahead and come to this pageant, training, they get trained on different, like for camera angles, in the field of makeup, in the field of like image consulting. We have stylists who train them. So there are different fields where we go ahead and train them. And basically, it's a comprehensive program wherein they come out as a transformed person. Well, even I would ask you, Shweta, what did you gauge out of the training that we gave you?
Oh, a lot, ma'am. And truly speaking, this show that I've now started, it's because I've been able to gain that confidence through your pageant, through all the grooming that I got. So that's a wonderful opportunity for me. And can you elaborate for everyone as to what all opportunities one can expect after a pageant?
Yeah, definitely. Now, when people come into the pageant world, they are just thinking about one opportunity, and that is ramp modeling. Well, let me tell, all the viewers that, opportunities are just not, confined to ramp modeling. You can also be a print model. You can also, work as an actor. You can go ahead. So, when a person comes to the pageant and get trained on different aspects, that they also gauge themselves as to what they're good at. So like you, like other people, and going with a fourth, we had contestants going backwards. We had contestants who came to the pageant and thought that they were very good at public speaking, like you are. So they found, like you found your YouTube channel. They had found, like I have given them opportunities as MCs for our different projects. So it's just not that. Opportunities can be in the field of course, I've already told you, but also in the field of makeup, in the field of styling, in the field of dress designing. Lot of opportunities. It is just here they come and gauge themselves as to what they are good at. So these are the opportunities.
My daughter is already a fan of your pageant work and wanting to be there with you too.
We will definitely, do something for her.
Sure. So, what is fashion as per you?
Fashion is relatively, I believe, fashion is no trend actually. I believe fashion is to oneself. So, your demographics, where you, how you are, your body type, everything, should be considerable as to, the term fashion. So fashion is to oneself. You need to dress up where you feel confident and, you are ready to go out.
Right.
So I would say, you need to really don't follow any trends. I would just say follow your instincts. And if you think you are looking good, you're looking fab. And that is fashion for me.
Wow, nice. Beautiful lines. And any message for our youngsters and women viewers?
Well, there are a lot of people who again come to us and, they enter this pageant world and they think, okay, so we've entered and we've become the beauty queen. It's not like that. So the message I would just, the advice I would just want to give everybody would be, there's no shortcut to it. You really need to follow your dreams. You really need to work on it. You really need to prepare yourself when you're entering a pageant. It is just not that, you just enter and you become the next reigning queen.
Important.
So even when we go ahead and, we choose the beauty queens, it's of course, based on talent and intelligence both. And of course, how a person carries themselves. So I would just say, work hard on your aspirations. It is not a shortcut.
Wow, beautiful message, ma'am. And really, it's so important to plan our lives, go towards grooming sessions, and then go for such opportunities. Very well said.
Yes. Not at least, I would not say that you need to groom yourself before. I would not say that we want a, groomed package when they come. We are, there to groom you.
Yeah.
But then, of course, there are a lot of tutorials on, the web these days. Just have a few, at least do something. At least groom yourself as an individual inside out. It's just not, going to a particular class or anything. That would not help. It should come from within.
Right. And just for my last section of my chat show, some rapid fire questions on favorites. So what's your food?
Favorite food? I'm a very simple person. So it has to be simple Indian food.
Great. Favorite color?
Color changes according to my mood. So every day it's a different color. So there are no favorites, but yes, black is one thing which I think I feel confident in because of my curves, I guess. So,
but you look lovely in black. Even these shades of purple flowers, they are looking beautiful on you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And your favorite dress?
Again, as I said, there's no favorite dress. These days, if I go through the COVID situation, just a simple t-shirt and pajama is the best.
Right. Favorite thing or hobby to do?
I've been singing a lot these days, and I believe I would really want to get trained on it. And so that's my favorite time these days.
Why not? We can, have one or two couple of lines from you. Anything that you love.
I can just sing a few lines. Actually, I just heard the song yesterday only. So maybe just one line. So, आइए मेहरबान बैठिए जाने जा शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान आइए मेहरबान. Thank you.
Awesome. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Favorite actor and actress?
I really, my favorite crush from childhood was Tom Cruise, and I really like Demi Moore. So
lovely.
Those are my two, actor and actress. Yes.
Nice. So nice talking to you and having you on my show. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The pleasure was all mine, and thank you so much for calling me here. I really hope that I did justice here.
Sure. You did well, ma'am. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. And you too have a nice day. Bye-bye. See you soon.